Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into a common issue, how to fix the Find My iPhone not working problem on iOS 17. So, let's jump into some troubleshooting steps to get it sorted. Firstly, make sure your device has an active internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Find My iPhone requires an internet connection to function properly. Next, ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Head to your settings, go to General, tap on Software Update, and check for any available updates. If there's an update, go ahead and install it to benefit from bug fixes and improvements. Now, let's check the location services. Go back to Settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, tap on Location Services. If it's disabled, enable it. If the issue persists, try restarting your iPhone. Go back to General in Settings, scroll down, tap on Shutdown, and restart your iPhone after waiting for 15 to 20 seconds. To reset, and select Reset Network Settings. Enter your password to proceed. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos,